So soil from my containers, it can get costly. Can I reuse it from last year? You absolutely can. You want to,
with a couple of asterisks on this. Yeah.
if I wanted to, if it was soil that I bought last year and it was brand new, what I would do is I would add some fertilizer, a slow release fertilizer, granule fertilizer.
Also, you grew flowers, so that would be a little different than a heavy feeder like tomatoes or peppers.
Right.
So if you're growing, let's say you're in a 20-gallon grow bag from myrootmaker.com, and you grew a tomato plant in that, or you grew potatoes in that last year, you can still utilize at least half of that soil. Take top half out, or even a third out of the top, and then top it off with new compost or new potting soil, new mix, and then utilize what you've removed for the base of another grow bag, or throw it in your raised bed gardens. The reason being, there is some exhaustion that soil has, but it's not necessary to dump it all out. Now, the asterisk on this is if you're growing in a 1, 3, 5-gallon, maybe 10-gallon grow bag where there's not a whole lot of soil to begin with, it is good to dump that out and start over. But if you're in that 20, 30, 45, 60-gallon or pop-up raised bed, just remove some of that soil if you need to in order to add more. If you're in a raised bed, pop-up raised bed, you probably won't need to add in. Probably won't have to need to remove any. You can just top it off.
Right. Now, you can use your best discretion because I'm replacing my soil this year for my flowers.
Altogether.
Yeah. Because I bought some stuff from the garden center.
Questionable stuff on sale.
And you know what? I listened to Joey.
I know.
I was like, I called him and I was like, should I get this stuff? It was like 3 for $12 or some deal like that. And then we planted
Not seeing it. What it was.
And it was in bags.
Yeah, it was in bags. Yeah. And it was some kind of topsoil mix.
Right.
And it had rocks in it.
Yeah, it had rocks in it. And my flowers did not do well. Some did okay. Sunflowers always do well. So if you grow sunflowers, you're usually pretty good.
So you want good quality compost or potting soil. If you're going to do it and you're going to invest the time in the raised beds, your flowers, invest. Splurge a little bit. Buy good quality, because that good quality will allow you it'll last a little bit longer, a couple of years, versus what we'll have to do is dig out and restart completely over.
I mean, some of those we can just dump out.
Yeah. So but that you can certainly save money by doing this, but be aware of how much and how large the container is. A hanging basket, totally dump it out, start over. Smaller the amount of soil, you've used it up, get new soil.